Alright, YouTube world out there. So what I'm fixing to do next is kind of show you how I'm building this step. It's going to be the front side step on the driver's side. I showed you the completed step, right? Now I'm going to kind of show you how I put that together. We'll be welding that up this evening. And, oh, let me move my beer. We'll be welding that up this evening. What I did is I went and took this flat iron piece that goes against the trailer. I mounted that to the trailer, and then I cut my front, my back, and my sides. And I'm going to go ahead and weld those up on the table. The front one I tacked in place on the trailer, and the reason I did that is so I could get my clearance between the leading edge of the step and the fender, so it wasn't rubbing on the fender. I guess the guy could do some measuring and stuff like that, but it's just as easy to put it on there and tack it and then bring the rest over to the table. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to run a bead right in this 45, and then I'm going to flip it over, and I've got to grind that tack down so when I flip this back over and weld it, it's flat and I can get it all tacked down. So that's what we're going to do right now. So you're probably not going to see much of me while I'm welding because I'll be out of the frame, just the way I have to set up my camera. But that's okay, you don't need to see me anyways. More importantly, I'm just showing you how I'm putting this step together. So let's get started with it. I promise you it does help to plug the welder in. So now I'm going to go ahead and grind that tack off right there that I did on the trailer because I've got it tacked on this side. We'll get that ground off and then we'll flip it back over, lay it down, and proceed to put the rest of this in, tack it up real quick, weld it. So hang tight, I'm going to grind this thing real quick here.